Hey everyone, Crash Customs, Lake Havasu, Arizona, and I have two shop hacks for you. When we bought this building, the rafters were exposed and we put the drop ceiling in. But before we did that, we put those hooks. They're not really hooks, but I use them as hooks. They're just from the hardware store, Z-shaped brackets for putting beams and rafters in together. So you screw them in from the side and the bottom. But I use them for hanging parts. Super easy, ratchet straps so you can adjust the height. And I know a lot of guys, they do whatever they want to do, lay them down on a body stand, spray them. Well, if you do that, that's 2 spray sessions. If you hang them, you can hit both sides at the same time. These pieces, they're just getting sealed. If I was actually painting them, I would set them up different because that's going to be a metallic color. But for parts, it's the way to go, I think. Hang them, spray the whole thing, 360, one shot, and you're done. The other thing I got, this seems pretty obvious if you don't know. When I tell you about it, you're like, yeah, why wouldn't you do it that way? Right here, exhaust clamps. Throw your hose in there. You can hook, your air chucks on it. The thinking is, what happens when you drop your hose? You gotta bend down and pick it up at a bare minimum. If you drop it too hard, it screws up the fittings. You wanna bend down all day picking up air hose? There, done. Also, when you're spraying, depending on what kind of gun you have, some of the guns have hooks on them. You can hook them right there if you're between coats. That's through sheet metal, obviously, but also if you got like a wood workbench, U-bolts for leaf springs, axle, everybody seems to have those laying around. You change them out from like a factory ride height to put lowering blocks in, you need longer U-bolts. What do you do with the old U-bolts? Well, that's an option right there. Super easy, time saver, and you'd be surprised how many things you'd be working on your bench that you actually need to hook on for whatever reason. So 2 right there. Super easy when you're setting up your shop. Don't matter how big or how small it is. Those are nice little time savers. If you guys see other things in the background that you're curious about how it makes my day a little easier at the shop, drop it down in the comments. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll keep bringing you weekly content. Thanks.
Every day is a school day. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.